NASA is getting ready to launch 4 astronauts around the moon on a mission called Artemis II. Why is this such a big deal? It's the first time humans have traveled beyond the bounds of low Earth orbit in over 50 years, since the Apollo 17 mission in 1972. Not only that, this crew is traveling farther than any astronaut has ever ventured before. They're going beyond the far side of the moon and about 250,000 miles from home. Just to give you some context about how far away this is, if you were to drive your car straight up to the International Space Station, the trip would only take you about 4 hours. But driving to the moon, that would take you more than 160 days. Now, even though the astronauts aren't going to be landing on the moon during this mission, it'll be an incredibly important proving ground. It's all about testing some of the new technology that will be on board the Orion spacecraft, and that includes life support equipment, as well as the always important onboard toilet. The space agency will also collect copious amounts of scientific data from the astronauts' observations of the far side of the moon, where we'll get an unprecedented glimpse. And they'll also be collecting information about how their bodies respond to the environment of deep space. All of this, of course, is in the name of figuring out how to carry out more complicated missions later down the road in the Artemis program. NASA's overarching goal here is to beat China amid a new space race and to hash out the technology and know-how the agency will need to one day send the very first humans to Mars.